Mangwabe says Musamseleku have childhood traumas. He grew up without a father. It's better he grew up without a father than other people. They don't have both parents, but they are strong men. You can't believe that man was an orphan. Musamseleku want his wives and his kids to feel pity on him. He can started crying in front of his kids. Last time on season 8, Musamseleku was crying in front of Awongwe. Imagine. And Awongwe was very hurt too, so her father was crying because he want other wives to accept Makwela. That's all. Musamseleku sometimes he have to stop his drama because he admitted at hospital because of Mayeni. Mayeni take her side. Musamseleku decide to marry the fifth wife Makwela. If my another wife to decide to choose yourself, it's a crime again. You know that it's like a selfish. I don't understand Musamseleku what he is doing. It's like his selfishness. That's why Macele was calling Mayeni. Mayeni, we have to meet. Musamseleku was admitted. And Mayeni was explaining that Musamseleku was admitted by his actions. Mayeni was right sometimes because Macele want Mayeni to come back because she knows that Musamseleku was admitted at hospital because of stress of Mayeni. She was going back to her parents' house. Mayeni was doing her own choice, guys, because Mayeni was always telling Musamseleku, don't take another wife, you are tired. But Musamseleku doesn't want to listen. He said you want to do whatever you want to do. He doesn't want to allow his wives to choose some of the things they makes them happy. He doesn't care about anyone's feelings. And he said he have got childhood traumas. Guys, the other man, you can show that he is a man. He grew up without both parents. He was better that Ugogo Flo raised him. What about other people? But they don't behave like him, like selfishness every time. Even about Makumalo, he doesn't feel pity even for Makumalo. I saw Makumalo was crying in front of him. And the director asked him, Samseleko, how do you feel to saw Makumalo in that condition? Makumalo was on tears. Musamseleku said nothing. He doesn't care if Makumalo she is crying, and he said he is continuing marrying Makwela. Musamseleku is selfish at another side, and people who don't see it, but he want his wives to feel pity on him. He says he have got childhood traumas. It doesn't make any sense he was doing. That's why Mangwawe and Mayeni, they don't care. Even Musamseleku says to Mangwabe, I don't want to forgive my wives. And Mangwabe says, I don't care even you forgive me or you don't forgive me. Mangwabe says, you are a trouble sometimes because it's very difficult. He was admitted at hospital. His wives are going upside and down. They are trying to do something for him. Musamseleku sometimes he behave like a child most of the time. Mayeni says he was admitted he is sick because of his actions, and she was right. Mayeni was saying, I love Mayeni because Mayeni can tell the truth. She is not a pretender the way she talks, or to start maybe like she is caring woman. Mayeni, like, she takes care of him. Guys, at another time when he was admitted again, especially Makumalo, don't go at hospital to check on him. It's better not to go to the hospital to check. The way they are starting showing him that they are caring people, they look like they are desperate or what. You understand it? So Mangwawe was right that if you forgive me or you don't forgive me, I don't care. And he want those answers. Because sometimes when you show a person that you are caring, you care what, I don't understand other people. He knows that when he admitted at hospital, everyone is going to be desperate. You understand? Everyone is going to be desperate or to stress what. The person who was desperate more is Macele. Other wives are not desperate. Macele was crying. But Mangwawe Makumalo, and many they don't cry because they know that if he is dead, they can move on with their lives because they are independent. They work,